Hello everybody, today we are going to speak about how to create text like that, or we can make different stuff like that, or we can make and insert any type of text. Just with one click you can create your own text and add new style to your all what you need to do, just you can write your word. For example, this one. So look, amazing. Just with one click you can create your own word and your material, and you can insert any kind of font like that, so you can increase, so you can play with all of them. You don't need to insert them to 3D Max or Blender. Just you can write your word here and already convert it to 3D text. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video, and let's get started. First of all, we need to create a new level, basic, okay? And after that, we need to make sure you go to edit, plugin, and 3D text. 3D text beta, okay? Choose it and restart Unreal Engine. So now what I'm going to do now, we need to create from here 3D text, okay? This is our text. You can write anything as you like here. 3D text, and you can write anything. For example, Mr. GFX. Okay, so now from here we can make extrude like that. Okay, a little bit, maybe 175. Okay, you can choose it. Okay, like that. We need to scale it a little bit like that. Okay, so now we are going to choose any kind of, for example, bevel. This one, look for this bevel here, or you can increase or decrease your bevel. Okay, we need to make it light a little bit. Okay, bevel here. Nice. Okay, the left side, the other side the same. Okay, so now we are going, for example, to choose another half circle. Look here, and we can increase or decrease the pivot here. Look, or you can choose another one, convex, for example, and you can increase or decrease. Choose another one, for example, here. Look in this section, what happened here. Look for this curvature. If you change light, you will see it. Okay, look. Nice. So maybe we can choose another one, for example, one step. Look, bevel segment. Look here, bevel, like to side, or maybe you can add another style, two step like that, and increase or decrease all of them. Look here, or we can decrease it a little bit. Okay, like that. So you can play with all of this setting. So after that we have a lot of material here. We have three type of material. This for front, this area, and this is for bevel, and this is for extrude this area from here to here, and this is for back material. Okay, so you can play with all of this steps. So here we have so now we have vertical and keep alignment. So this keyring, so you can increase it a little bit, the distance between every letter. Okay, for example 10, or we can make it a little 35, for example. So if you have two words like what, for example, Mr. GFX, this word and this is word. So now if I'm going to make a spacing between line spacing, look, look, now we are spacing between every look, this is space, so maybe we can make it 0, Mr. GFX. um, so all of this stuff we have, if we have a lot of time, we can explain it in another time. So now what I'm going to do now, if I need to change the font name, for example here we have font material, and after that we have font. So if we come here, I can't see anything, just new, so there is nothing happened. So what I'm going to do now, we need to insert any font from any website, for example this one, or you can if you have for example anyone, so you can choose for example this font, or okay, so we have OTF or TTF, okay, just you can download TTF file and go to Unreal Engine and create new folder for fonts, okay, make it a little bit. So after that we need to drag and drop this font, okay, yes. So now we have this font, so just we can come here and go to font area, so we will see Groovy Day. This is our font, so the same font. So this is just with 3 layers like this one, okay, but we need to make it smoothly like that, so we can come to this area and we can make it liner like that, or we can go to make it convex like that, and increase a little bit bevel size like that. Okay, you will see the details. Now for example if we have complex font like that or something like that, just download it, okay, and drag and drop here. What is the name of this one? Mechanic. So we need to alt and sorry, choose just this one, alt, okay, and choose any kind of font like that, Mechanic. Wow, really amazing. If we are here and we need to change material for this one, for example this is front material, we can make it we can choose any material from here, maybe something like that, or we can choose to another material in this area, or we can choose this to be gold, or we can choose anything. Look, in the front maybe we can choose gold like what, so we can choose this one for another material, something like that, and another third material we can choose, for example wood or anything, for example something like that. Wow, really. So this is just a test, and يعني you can test and change your material. For example if we have another font like what, like this, for example from here we need to change the font to another one, for example Looper. Look, wow, really so nice. And from here we can change to make to style. So for example we can change from here, we can change this one to be convex, like look here, this is round curve, or maybe we can make it like that, different material, different style, or maybe we can make two side like that, increase or decrease everything, so you can do anything as you like, or maybe you can make rotate it for it like that, and we can make any game, or you can make grass or plants, or you can add anything as you like. So this is all what you need to know about this text and how to add any text or font to Unreal Engine. So if this is the first time at my channel, don't forget to subscribe for my channel. I have a lot of tutorial how to create animation and how to make meta human and to create a lot of stuff to create landscape material and smoking Niagara. We have a lot of tutorial at my channel. You can check them. So all of them for free. You can check them. All of you we have a lot of tutorials. You can subscribe for my channel and like for my video. See you in the next video. Take care. Salam alaikum.